Hello friends, welcome to Spider Themes. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress.
Google Analytics provides comprehensive overview insights and detailed SEO performance reports for your website.
Let's get started. First, open your browser, search for the official Google Analytics website and create an account. Choose your account name and make sure that these three options are marked and click Next. Here, choose a property name and select your preferred time zone and currency and go Next. Then choose your business category and size and select your business objectives as needed. Accept all the terms and choose a your platform so that Google can analyze your data. Here I am choosing web for WordPress. Give your WordPress site URL and stream name and click on create and continue. Your site has been added to Google Analytics. It may take a few minutes for Google Analytics to begin collecting insights and performance data from your website. It's a hassle to keep logging into Google Analytics to check your website data. Luckily, we can integrate it directly into our WordPress dashboard. For that, go to your WordPress dashboard and hover over plugins and click Add Plugin. Now, search for SiteKit and install the plugin. It's a Google verified analytics plugin for WordPress developed by Google. After activating the plugin, go to the SiteKit dashboard, select the appropriate option and click Sign in with Google. Then, choose the Gmail account you used to create your Google Analytics account. Grant all the required permissions, and after a simple verification, you will be logged into your Google Analytics account. Now choose your account and account property and stream and click on Complete Setup. Your Google Analytics is now successfully added to your WordPress site. It may take some time initially to gather data and analyze your site's performance and SEO.
And that's how you can easily set up Google Analytics in your WordPress site. See you in the next video.